Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a weekly vlog just sharing what I'm doing this week. I am currently on the walking pad. I made breakfast this morning and did a couple phone calls I had to get done for the day. I'm now going to answer emails while I walk for 30 or 45 minutes and then I'll check back in with you. Be sure to subscribe and like this video and let's get on with the day. Welcome to my laundry room cabinet. I need to organize this. I will show you in a second. But I have one shelf where I just kind of store extra stuff that I've bought, either in bulk on Amazon or just random things that I don't know what to do with anymore. And I need the space for something else now, so let's show you what I got. So this is the shelf we're working with. It has like random things, attachments for my blow dryer. This is the puke bucket. Basically old, I think that's like an old hair dryer or something, and just some random stuff that can definitely be better organized so I can better utilize the space. Okay, here is what I'm working with so far. Again, a lot of this is my dad's, but I cleared out that shelf pretty well and cleaned up this stuff a little bit. And then I also reorganized and relabeled all of my like beauty backup stuff I have up here. So that's fantastic. And I cleaned off the whole top of the dryer. Those are going to Goodwill. It's the next day. I am getting ready to shoot short form content today. I just filmed a skincare video and now I have to film a Makeup Monday video. By the time this goes up, you've probably already seen it. And I have to film a couple outfits as well and then do some laundry for the rest of the day. So I will check in with you guys once I'm done with my makeup. I'm loving this like skin tint I got from Maybelline. I will check in with you guys when I'm done with my makeup and picking my outfits that I have to shoot. Okay, I am all ready to film. I curled my hair and did my makeup. My bangs look a little funky today, but they'll settle down. Let me show you the outfits I'm shooting today. I have 2 outfit videos to film, so this is what we're working with. I was going to use the base layer that I'm wearing as the base for this outfit. And then I have my Halara Hot Shot onesie dupe with a crew neck. And that is what I'm going to shoot right now. I'm going to do a quick little OOTD for you because I have been loving these sweatpants that I'm wearing right now. Okay, so these are the Halara sweatpants, and this Amazon long sleeve is one of my favorite basics. These Halara sweatpants are so great, and they are long enough that they almost drag on the ground for me, and I'm like 5'9", but you have the option to scrunch them up so they don't drag, which I love. They're very good for either tall or short people, so this is fantastic. Yeah, this is my outfit. Okay, I am done for the day with short form content. I'm letting the photos back up and then I'm going to edit that content. But for now, I'm going to plan the rest of the week out. I've just kind of been dumping stuff into a note on my phone. So I am looking forward to planning out the rest of my week. I know we have like our washing machine. Our new washing machine is getting delivered tomorrow. so I can't really do much filming tomorrow, so I'm going to try to get like admin stuff done, and hopefully I can get back to filming on Thursday and Friday to get a little bit ahead for the week, because that has been so helpful. Basically, the way I do it with content creation and being a full-time content creator is I will dedicate like one day per platform. So like today I finished doing IG stuff, and I also repost that to YouTube Shorts. And in another world, and like last year, I would do like a day of just like TikToks and batch film 4 or 5 TikToks. So I'm going to be kind of focusing that energy over onto YouTube. Hopefully TikTok won't be banned by the time this is up. I'm not sure though. I'm honestly really not sure what's going on. But anyway, I am going to fill out my planner, and I will catch up with you guys after that. But yeah, basically that's the way I do it, is I do like one day a week per platform. And then of course I will squeeze things in if anything else comes up or if I need to, but that's basically the way I do it. And I can also save myself a day of the week for like chores and cleaning and laundry, etc. Okay. I don't have a good space to put you guys in my bathroom, but this is just like fine straight hair things. Like I curled my hair, and the only bits that stay are the bits that are more blonde still, because those are more damaged, so they're gonna hold on to the style more. Like I had to really tightly curl my hair, and they still look like that. So I'm going to take my makeup off now, because as soon as I'm done with content for the day, I really don't like keeping my makeup on. I feel like it's better for my skin. I feel like it's just good. I touch my face a lot, and I know I shouldn't, but like I do. I don't know what happened to my bangs today, but they're just like not it today. This is the current makeup cleanser that I am using. And once my makeup is off, I've been using this Medicube moisturizer because I have some dermatitis right here that I'm trying to heal. So I've been trying to keep it really moisturized. This stuff is great. Hello everyone, it's a couple days later. I got a surprise package in from Kristen S. They're my favorite hair care brand at the moment. It looks like they have new salon quality products coming in stores in February. And they sent me some samples. Looks like we have anti-fade shampoo and conditioner, moisturizing, shine enhancing, sulfate free for color treated hair. That is fantastic. Kristen S's products smell so amazing. I absolutely love them. And this is the leave-in conditioner with the same line. These are like little like special samples. They're not even like minis. So this is really cool. Let me peek at the ingredients. That looks like they also have a bond fortifying serum, a leave-in treatment, and overnight dry mask, which is very interesting. The anti-fade shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in. They also have a strengthening shampoo and conditioner. So I got the anti-fade shampoo and conditioner. So it looks like they have 8 new products. So I am looking forward to trying these out. Thank you so much, Kristen S. This is crazy. On the agenda for today, I have laundry going. We just got our new washer dryer. We just got our new washing machine, so I'm doing like 3 or 4 loads of laundry today. I was gonna clean out like one section of my makeup drawer that's bothering me. So I'm going to go cut to that and then continue doing laundry. These sheet clips are quite possibly my favorite thing I've purchased on Amazon. Okay, so this little drawer right here is the only one I'm really worried about right now. I would like to organize this eventually too, but this one is the one that I reach for the most and just get annoyed by. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you want more vlogs, be sure to comment below and subscribe to this channel. I post daily over on Shorts, so be sure to check that out. Also follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!